Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my November issue of my Simply Earth Essential Oil box.
All those days trying to find a place where you can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video, and I'm excited to share with you guys my November box because out of all my subscription boxes, I have to say so far this is my favorite to get every month. I love Simply Earth Essential Oils box. Now, if you don't know about Simply Earth and their subscription boxes, I do have a video that explains fully all about the company and all about the box, and I will link that down below for you guys if you haven't seen that. But basically, it's an overview. It's just an essential oil subscription box. Every month there's a theme that has to do with what kind of oils they're going to send you, and then they also send you the different products to make all the recipes that they're going to send you as well, which you get 6 all natural recipes within this box. Now, I'm sorry I'm bringing this video to you guys late. I usually try to bring it before November, but when I got this box and I was ready to do the unboxing for you guys, when I opened it, I realized that instead of having the lime oil, which would come with this box, I actually had the energy one sent to me instead. But no worries, their customer service is wonderful. So as soon as I let them know that I got the energy one instead of the lime one, they said that they would send me out the lime one as soon as they can, and it came so fast. And their customer service is great that they let me keep this one anyway. So I got an energy one, essential oil, as well as the lime that comes with the kit. So that's why this video took so long for me to make for you guys, because I try to bring it before November so you guys have time to, you know, order it before November. But anyways, with all that being said, let's just jump right in so I can unbox it for you and share with you guys what I got this month for my Simply Earth box. Okay, so let's see what came in this November box. And again, like always, they always put a picture of the person who packed it for you. I think that's so cute. It makes it like so personable that you get to know the people behind the box. So when you get your box, of course, you always get stickers to go with all the recipes that you're going to make. They provide you with the stickers. And what I love about the stickers lately, they also have all the ingredients within the stickers that you're going to put on the bottles and all the instructions as well. So I love how they make these stickers already for you, so you don't have to add all that stuff to your creations once you make them out of your own bottles. Now again, like I always tell you, these stickers are not the peel off stickers. These stickers come in just a regular sticker sheet, you know, with the little lines in the back. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to cut out the shape that you want, basically like whatever it is, and then peel it from the back, because that's the type of stickers they are. So they're not peel off stickers, just to let you guys know that. This one is basically going to go on the roll on, and this one will go on the blend, and these little ones always go on the bottle itself. Hold on, that's my phone. Sorry about that. Anyways, so and then these will go on the different types of whatever other recipes they have, which we'll find out in just a minute what they are. But I know that these little ones are always for the individual bottles that come. They actually give you not only the labels on it right here, but the labels on top, depending on how you store your essential oils, which I like that, because some people store their essential oils where you see this in the front, but some people store it in like boxes to where you only see the top part. So these stickers come in handy when you do that, and that's how I store mine. But again, you get stickers in it. You always get 6 recipe cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to show, you know, to basically let you know the recipes of what they're gonna make that month. But not only do these recipe cards have the recipes on them on the front, they also have different things on the back. So they always tell you behind a recipe card, they always tell you what they're donating 13% to. Now, I've told you guys this before, I love Simply Earth I love their oils as is, but I love the fact that every box that they sell, or everything they sell, 13% always goes to fight human trafficking. It always goes to an organization that fights human trafficking. So this month they're telling you you're giving 30% to the Daughters Project, and it tells you about that organization. So I love that. So you will always know that not only are you getting a good price on essential oils and basically making all these all natural recipes for your home, but you know that the money, some of the money is going to a good cause to stop human trafficking, which I think needs to be stopped in this country. So I love the fact that they do that. So again, like one of the cards will always tell you what project they're working on that month, and it's what they're donating to that month. And this month is the Daughter Project, and it tells you more about that. And then they always tell you about a referral program, how you can get a free box, you can refer a friend. They always give you a sneak peek of what's to come for the next box. That's how I kind of knew what was coming in this box. So I love that they give you a sneak peek, so it lets you know if you want to order a box, order an extra box, maybe order one for your friend. They always let you know what's to come. They always talk about their Facebook group, which gives you so many more ideas on how to use the essential oils. Not only when you get this box do you get a lot of information from these recipe cards, but they also send you in your email, they send you so many different articles about each essential oil. I've learned so many things about my essential oils on what to use them on. So you not only know how to use the essential oils for the recipes they give you, but they give you a full breakdown of what each of these essential oils can do for you and your home and your family. So I love that. And then the Facebook group also has a lot of information as well. They have a card, let me see, you always get a note from Katie, which is one of the owners, about telling you about this month's box. And then they always give you a card to tell you about each essential oil box and how much alone these would cost and everything like that. So I'm going to be reading about these once I pull these out. So the first essential oil that I'm going to talk to you guys about is that we're getting this month is the lime one, which I told you guys at first I did not get because they sent me the energy one. But as you can see, the energy one and the lime one, they're kind of the same color, so I can see how they made that mistake, but that's fine. I got me an extra oil, so I love it. But the lime oil, they said this is a citrus oil. It's so sweet, it reminds me of candy. It's calming and refreshing and great for aromatherapy bath. So this is all about baths this month, so this is perfect for it. And again, this also helps with decongestion as well. I like that. The next one that we're going to talk about is one of my favorites that I use for so many things, definitely for my psoriasis and definitely for other things in my home. I have psoriasis and I've been trying to find all natural recipes for it, and I found out that eucalyptus works really great. If you want me to do a video on my all natural recipes for my psoriasis and my scalp, let me know and I'll definitely do that video for you. But I love eucalyptus oil for that. It says right here it's famous for its decongestant properties. This oil is also great airborne antibacterial to help clear the air during the cold season. So this is perfect for this time right now. Again, like I said, with my congestion, right, I've been telling you guys about, my sinuses act up horribly. So this is perfect for it, and it also cleans your air as well. So you can use it to help clear the air. You can smell it to help the decongestion within yourself, but then it also can be used in your essential oil, I don't know what I'm trying to say, your air purifiers, your little essential oil, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. You know where you put your essential oils at in the water. I can't think of the name right now, but it'll come to me later on the video. But basically where you put your essential oils at to have it going on in the air in your house, you can use that for that to clean the air in your home. I don't know why I can't think of what that thing is right now. It's not an air purifier. And it's not a humidifier. I can't even think of what it is, but it'll come to me later. Anyways, the next one is cinnamon, and cinnamon is warming, stimulating, energizing. This oil helps improve circulation. So some people try it to help regulate their blood sugar. So this one's called leaf cinnamon. So I'm actually excited to learn a little bit more about this one because I haven't really done a lot of things with this essential oil. So I'm excited to learn a little bit more about that one. And the last one, of course, you have to have it if you're having any type of bath or spa night. You have to have something that is called Tranquility. So this blend helps calm and relieve anxiety. It contains lemon, patchouli oil, I think it's patchouli oil, orange, Amaris, Yang Lang, and Pure Essential Oils, which, you know, a lot of those I cannot say what these are, but once you get the card, you'll read it yourself. But I'm excited to use this as well in, oh, diffuser, that's what they're called, diffusers. See, I told you guys it would come to me later. So I'm excited to put this in my diffuser, especially for my spa night that I'm gonna probably have with all this stuff. I am excited to use that one as well. So that tells you about the oils. Also in this kit, you get this little, well, let me talk about I forgot to talk about the actual recipes that we're gonna have this month. So the recipes for this month one is the chai tea bath salts, the oatmeal and milk bath, tranquility and lime diffuser blend. See, diffusers here. I remembered it now. And I can't wait to use that one. Lavender buds and tranquility milk bath, lime and eucalyptus roll, eucalyptus shower steamers. So that is the ones that you'll have. So it's all about bath and calming. So I'm guessing this is for the bath. Yep, it says right here, this is a tea bag. So these are a reusable tea bag. That's another thing. When they send you stuff in their boxes, they're always reusable. I remember the last one, where the first one I got, when it was all about facials, it was a reusable facial mask that you can use over and over again. So everything they give you is reusable. So you don't have to throw it away. You can use it multiple times. So this is a tea bag, a reusable tea bag, and it's for the oatmeal milk bath and for the lavender and bud tranquility milk bath as well. You also get dried lavender flowers within it to make the recipes, and powdered whole milk to make the recipes as well. So that is what you get in the November box. And I'm excited for this. This is going to be like a great spa night for me, a great like all natural spa night. So that is what you'll get in your November box if you order it this month. So that is what came in my November box, and I'm excited to use it. Now normally, just like my last video, I would kind of share a recipe with you guys on this unboxing video like I did last time with my daughter. But because a lot of these have to do with like a bath time, I thought I would make a separate video and kind of do like a treat yourself spa night video where I'm going to share with you guys the recipes that I make out of this and some other stuff that I use to treat myself to like a at-home spa relaxing, you know, night for moms or for women or, you know, basically anybody. But I thought I should do a separate video with that. And the bath salts take about 24 hours to make anyway, so again, I just thought it would be better to make a separate video, so stay tuned for that, where it'll be a follow-up video with me actually making the recipes in this box and basically, you know, treating myself to a spa night at home. Now, I did make the roll-on, the lime eucalyptus roll-on oil already, and I have used it. I haven't put the sticker on it yet. I have used it. I do love the smell of the lime and the eucalyptus together. It really does give you kind of like a sense of like, you know, boost of energy, and it does clear up like any decongestions you have. The flu's going around, pneumonia's going around, people's sinuses are acting up, which my sinuses act up a lot. So I do love this oil for that reason alone, because my sinuses act up so much. So whenever I feel like I need, especially at work when I need an energy boost and I definitely need some decongestion, I love using this one so far. So this recipe, I will be making it over and over again because I've already made it and I love it. I did add a little bit more drops than the recipe called for because I do feel like the coconut is like a heavy oil. But I would suggest that you guys play with that because some people's skin is sensitive, so you don't want to add too much more than the recipe calls for. But for me, I knew what my skin can take, so I added just a couple more drops because I really want that smell of lime and eucalyptus to be a little bit stronger just for my sinuses because I have horrible sinuses. So, but again, I do love the recipe for this one and I will be making it again. But stay tuned for that follow-up video where I'll be sharing with you guys all the recipes that come in this box to kind of treat me to an at-home spa night, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the recipes, which one I like the best, because there's two different kind of baths that you can do, and of course like the bath salts, and I'll let you know how I feel about these recipes in my follow-up video. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.